bridge construction site.
I brought the multi-purpose construction truck.
Nice. Let's start building.
First, we need a drilling rig to bore the bridge piles.
Oh!
I'll add the concrete mixer to the truck and swap the bucket for a drilling head. Right, let's drill the bridge piles.
Wow. Wow. Amazing.
The first pile hole is done. All right, next hole. I'll move to the other side.
Oh, wow.
All the pile holes are drilled. Now I'll place these piles into the holes. The concrete mixer is in position.
Cement. Water.
The mix is ready.
Okay. Stop right there. Wow. Wow. All concrete piles have hardened.
Time to bring in the bridge deck. Lower the hook. The bridge deck is secured.
Right there. Buddy, bring it down nice and slow.
The deck is safely in place. Perfect. Now we just need to approach roads.
Approach road in. Approach road out.
Now this roller head will level the concrete for the road lanes. The forklift has brought the streetlights here.
Perfect. Right on time.
And here's the centerpiece statue.
Oh, wow. Everyone, please come take a look. The park is complete.
at a gold mine.
Hurry up, you lazy bastards.
This gold mine will make me richer.
My boss needs more gold.
So tired. I want to get out of here.
Wait, I can make it. You'd better keep your promise. Let's start the machine.
The sand is falling down. Only the gold remains on the net.
Yeah, the gold is all sifted.
I'm so tired. Why isn't it full of gold yet?
Now the gold is automatically transported from the sand screening machine to the truck.
That's amazing! Yeah, we can get out of here now.
Your work is not done yet. You've been fooled.
Life is so unfair.
I'm almost done building this chair car. Let's see how this chair car runs. Wow, this is the most modern armchair ever. I'm gonna test the reclining function too. I forgot to go to Walmart for Black Friday sale. Let's go!
2 hours ago.
Just $100, and you can grab this exclusive Mr. Bean's chair car right now. Act fast.
I'll make my own chair car.
An accident just occurred here, spilling toxic slime across the road and blocking traffic.
Oh no, I have to get through all this slime. I've passed the first slime. Easy peasy. Here I come, Walmart. Oh no, the road ahead is flooded. Help me. Somebody, help me out of here.
bed car has arrived.
Ho-ho!
We will save you, buddy.
My saviors are here. Thank you so much. Let's keep going to Walmart.
Oh no. How to save our bed car now?